Are you looking to upgrade to a home with a bigger kitchen so you won't bump into each other in the small kitchen you currently have? Or looking to upgrade to a home with a bigger backyard for your kids to play? Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak-Goppold with Keller Williams, and I'm a top producing agent here in Oakland and the greater East Bay area. I understand that looking for a new home, wondering if you're going to find a replacement home with such limited inventory, thinking about all the paperwork and getting everything out of the house and moving into a new one is stressful. And sometimes you just don't want to deal with it. Listen, I get that, and I've previously sold as well. It can be one of the most stressful things you'll do in life. And if you're with me this far, I'm guessing that maybe you're juggling around the idea of moving. Maybe your family is growing and the house you have right now is getting too small. Or maybe your home is too big and your wonderful kids have all moved out and the halls are empty and you're ready to downsize. I work with a team of professionals that will help your move be a breeze and will able to help you find your replacement home even in this super competitive market. We will also help you get your current home sold at the right price, so you'll end up getting more money in your pockets. So let's do it. Let's get your dream home that you and your family deserve. More questions? Give me a call. I'm always here to help. This is Tanja Odzak-Goppold with Keller Williams, putting people before profit.